okay, child. We done.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I've got like 50 messages from San Francisco people who don't want to be seen on Facebook. Thank you. And if you haven't, you know, it's like, if you haven't pissed somebody off, you're like dead.
Yeah.
Oh, she's like the,
Yeah.
that Egyptian goddess, the cat goddess.
Yep.
What's her name? Shekmet?
I don't know.
What's her name? I was just reading about her yesterday.
The Egyptian one?
I'm sorry, you didn't
She's an Egyptian goddess with a lion's head or a cat's head. Nice hand.
Cats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The melanin.
The melanin in the hand.
My first ever applause, ever.
I just love these positions. I do not know
It's not a
why.
mechanical pencil.
The hands like that?
Yep. It's like a cat thing, you know. They always.
Yeah,
Because he's so mystical.
I see that.
These are farm.
Blue, do you have a mechanical pencil?
Does it look like I use pencil?
Yes.
Excuse me, I never heard of it. I never heard of an
Girl, how do you
I use pen.
Mom's outside. We gotta go. Okay.
Now?
Actually, yeah, we gotta go.
No, it's fine.
applause.
Fine.
I've never had it. I didn't get applause.
Someone can give you something.
Okay, you know, Asher has to
Looks
celebrate.
right at home here.
You know, all of that.
Yeah, very.
Should I just go outside?
So I'm gonna get, so I'm gonna.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna shoot.
Okay, bye.
I used to watch this TV show where they had people telling a story and somebody illustrating the story. I love watching people draw.
She's got like.
So yeah, they would illustrate the story as it was being told.
It's so satisfying when they do that.
To
It's like,
illustrate a story or just to
yeah,
draw?
to illustrate and to draw at
Oh,
the
is
same
it?
time.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, I just find it pretty fun.
Have you done that?
No.
One of my books.
I mean, I've done it when I'm tutoring my bro.
That was Minneapolis.
When you're what?
Tutoring my brother. Because he's like, help me with art, sis. And I'm like, yeah, sure.
That's nice. That's great.
I know, but he's like one of those beginner artists, or he's so. And then he know a lot of physical stuff too, like when you know you draw hands, feet, sideways. And I
do that?
yeah, but I don't know how to do that. And he asking me to teach him how to draw.
You just do it. Do you just figure it out as you're doing it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, you do a really good job. You have a real, obviously, a real instinct for it because you're very talented. And there's your tail.
Yep.
That's great. So does she have a name?
I don't know.
They're like, wait a minute, don't turn it off.
I'm
Cat.
gonna find the Egyptian goddess. All right, thanks, Blue.